Today, we learn how we can manage our personal finance during this crisis. Points which we have to remember are: first is differentiate between needs and wants. A need is something which you are required to survive. For example, you need food to survive, and a want is simply the desire for something. So, try to do expenses only on needs and avoid expenses on wants. So, which is ultimately helps to save more money. Second is investment. When share prices are falling due to widespread panic in market, there are some fundamentally strong companies whose share price are available at unreasonably low prices. This is the time when intelligent investor uses this opportunity to buy shares at low prices and get benefit later. In times of crisis, common investors doubt whether market will ever recover or not. But market always recover, and when it does, common investor fails to benefit from the opportunity. Today, it's a temporary problem being faced by an Indian economy. Keep in mind that those who kept faith in the market during all the past crises were the only ones who were handsomely rewarded. So it's a best time to invest in stock market. Third step is work from home. Those who are doing business, you need to adjust your business operations during this time. This could means changing your hours or changing the type of product and services you offer. As we all know, our business are suffering, so it is necessary to adjust your business operations. Try to find out how you can deliver your product and services electronically. Fourth step is develop yourself. You will spend a lot of time at home in the coming days during this crisis. Use this opportunity to invest in life changing skills. For example, increase your communication skill, convince power, learning speed, speed reading, reduce automatic negative thoughts, do online courses, do everything which helps to develop your personality. So it will help you to compete with other job seekers in future when economy recovers.